first question, what does your name means? Your English learning journey. When you start?
We have lots of fear, like
Yes,
fear of
yes,
being a different person. I am becoming a best version of myself now. I am aware
yes,
of
yes, of course.
everything. Earlier, I
Yes,
was trying to learn this language.
yes.
Now, I
So,
must say that who is watching this video, don't make excuses that I don't have this, I don't have. You have everything.
yes,
Just start. You just need to start. You just need to initiate you.
yes. So, I on the importance of digital literacy and online communication skills. You laugh the most,
Who make
makes you
me
laugh the most. Yes,
morning?
yes, yes. Very good morning. And yes,
How
how
are
are
you?
you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. I think we are asking the same question at the same time now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I'm doing great and thank you for asking me. How about
Okay.
you?
Yeah,
How
I'm
is
also
going
pretty,
everything?
yes, I'm also pretty well. And thank you for asking. So we are
Yeah, as I
meeting very first time. So we are introduce ourselves.
My name is Arshi. I hail from UP, Uttar Pradesh. And if I
Okay.
talk about my academic, so I have completed my master in chemistry subject.
Okay.
And additionally, I did B.Ed. I also
Okay.
did B.Ed. And after completing my study, I was working as a chemistry teacher. But currently, I am not working. I would say I am down and out. But I think apart from this, I am providing tuition at
Okay.
home. So I can't say that I'm completely detached from my profession. Somewhere I feel attached with my profession because I am giving tuition. So it is kind of attachment for me.
Yes,
So I
yes.
don't feel that I am completely out of my profession. And along with that, I also have a YouTube channel where I upload English conversation related videos. And also, I really feel that I am an enthusiastic learner and keen interested in communication skill. So that is the reason I just I want to refine my conversational skill and simultaneously my communication skill. So this year I'm entirely devoted to learning this language. And when it comes to my hobbies, so I have a bunch of hobbies like I love cooking, stitching, gardening, traveling, talking with diverse background people and reading also. It is one of my favorite hobby. It has become. Earlier it was not, but I think I have fostered these hobbies in my routine, so I really enjoy. Now I really enjoy this hobby, and I love listening English content a lot and a lot, and watch English content. Yeah, that's all about
Yes,
me.
I can say, yeah, amazing. Yes, interested also.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
So first
Mhm.
question, what does your name means? Yeah.
Okay, so well, my name, my name means it means sky, high sky.
Okay. Yeah.
And now I think I am aspiring to be touch the high sky, but I think it is going to take time to touch sky.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
We can
Mhm.
do our yes 100%. So definitely we yeah.
I hope so
Okay.
because I'm really working hard.
Okay. So how is
Uh,
your English learning journey? When you start?
Oh, okay. When did I start? So, honestly speaking, and I must say it's been a year that I have started my English learning journey. Yeah, it is it is about to almost a year. Yeah, last year I have started this journey.
Yes.
And I think throughout this journey, I was not that much consistent earlier. But for last 2 and 3 months, I am very consistent on this journey. Now I do
Yeah.
practice every single day. But having said that, I feel that sometimes it is it is really a daunting task to find a person with whom we can practice every single day. So sometimes I really miss this
Okay.
opportunity, that why I didn't get people with whom I could practice. Yeah.
Okay.
But
Okay.
that time I also joined some other platform where I can practice, not
Yes. Yes.
through video call but audio call. There are so many applications we can do. So that time I use that platform as
Yes. I
well.
also actually I watched your video Minu Puri ma'am's channel first time. Yes.
Mhm.
There I know about
Yeah.
yes about you. Yes.
Okay, okay. And recently I have talked with Rajni ma'am as well.
Yes. Yes.
Recently, I think it's been a week, if
Okay.
I'm not wrong.
But first time I watch your video there. Yeah. That
Okay,
I
okay.
know about
So what
you.
about, oh,
Yes.
tell me about your English journey. When did you start and what thing made you to learn this language? What is your motive behind learning this language?
Okay, so my channel I can say start with actually short. My daughter, I have a daughter. She's uh, around 4 year old. Yes, and she is
Okay,
singing a poem. I'm also help her. So my husband also have a YouTube channel, not English related other. So he told me you also start your channel and yes gradually I upload my only short there but after
okay.
gradually I make my solo video also and after conversation I watch many videos so this is also new for me I have lots of fear but yes I gradually connected I can say so many I can say 10, 11, 15. I can say so now I feel
15 people.
yes little bit
You have
confident
connected
and
so wow,
yes.
that's amazing.
Yes,
That's
and
great.
the start journey start I can say 2 month. Yes, with
2 months,
conversation. But yeah,
2 months old.
learning this language I can say 7, 8 months. Yes,
7 helpful. So that's
yes, yes,
great. I think that, earlier, initially, in the beginning of learning this language, we have lots of fear, like
yes,
fear of
yes.
judgment, fear of making mistakes, fear of making mocking, fear of
Judgment.
being
We
fun, yeah, and
yes, yes,
fear of not presenting ourselves in a proper
yes.
way and fear of facing other person. There law, no? There are
How
so
start?
many.
Yes, how
Yeah,
start? How make video? That's also challenging task. But yeah,
yeah,
gradually we learn
that's
a lot.
very
Yeah.
challenging. Yeah,
Through
but
this
gradually and
journey.
slowly, I firmly believe that throughout this journey we learned a lot. I learned a lot throughout
Yes,
this
yes.
journey because I also learned so many things just because of this journey. Earlier, I was not like that, but now I am becoming so smart. I can say I'm
Okay.
becoming astute every single day because apart from learning this language, I'm learning so many things at the same time. So
Yes,
I'm
yes.
really having lots of fun with this journey.
Yes, yes.
Earlier, initially when I started this journey, I was someone who never enjoyed this journey. It felt like a burden on my
Okay.
shoulder, and I never ever enjoyed when I started learning this language. But as the time passed, as time rolled, so then I started getting interest little by little. And then I started enjoying, and since when I started having fun in this language, so now it seems like it is one of my favorite hobby, and it is something that gives me a real pleasure and joy. I really enjoy whenever I have conversation or whenever I am able to articulate my thoughts clearly, confidently, and fluently, and if I
Yes.
am able to speak in a natural flow, so that time it really made me so happy. At that time I feel delighted. Wow,
Mm.
this language is amazing. So yeah, and also this language gives me lots of courage, confidence, and to put my thought in front of other person and express myself. So this journey is amazing, I think. Once you
Yes.
started enjoying, then it has become a favorite hobby for you.
Yes.
Now it
And
has become for
I also actually I start with a listening audiobook. I'm not listen in English language earlier. I listen in Hindi, but book actually how to live a life. That's I yes learn from books and in my inside I also want to improve myself and do something for me. So yes, that's why yes gradually going on. Yeah.
Yeah, it's amazing journey, I think.
Yes. And
I never felt in this way before. Whatever I feel in this
yes.
area, in this foundation, it really gives me so much. It really, I think it really made me a different person. I'm becoming a best version of myself now. I am aware
Yes,
of
yes, of course.
everything. Earlier, I
Yes.
was like a clumsy person, and I was pathetic in communication, and I was not aware and conscious what I'm eating, what I'm doing, and what is my future, and what is my career, and what is I'm wearing. So now, after learning this language, I have learned so many things. Like
Yes,
I
yes.
am very conscious about everything, and now I'm aware. And also throughout, just because of this language, I'm getting lots of information, knowledge, and I am, I want to broaden my horizons at this time. So now this language is really this language is really making my different personality. Now
Yeah,
I
I'm
am
also
different.
relate of this because I also learn so many things. Otherwise, I'm
Mhm.
also actually introvert person. I'm not able to in my actually native in Hindi language. I'm not able to express myself, but I can say yes gradually. Yes.
So over
And I
time,
enjoy every time this language. This my learn this language. This is my childhood dream. But earlier, not that type of exposure. So how we learn, but now I can say without step out, we learn so many things. So
yeah,
that's
yeah,
the benefit.
I think I am on the same page, and I entirely agree with you that now it is a high time to learn this language because I
Yes,
think we
yes,
have every resource of learning this language. We have listening content, we have watching content, we have speaking content, we have platform, we have everything,
yes,
So
yes.
now, if someone is not learning this language, so I think he is not,
Aware
you
of.
know, he's
Aware
not,
of.
yeah, he's not aware and he's not serious. And I think, and maybe perhaps he's making excuses that I cannot learn this language because I don't have this and I don't have that.
Yes,
But you have everything. You cannot make a lamb excuses, and you cannot give excuses like this because now I think everything is available on social media. There are
yes, yes,
thousands of thousands videos and podcast and platform where we can and also we have some platform where we connect
each
with
other.
native speaker as well.
Yes, yes,
We have such kind of platform that we can connect with native speaker as well, and all over the world we can connect. So now I think it is high time to learn this language.
yes.
Now I
So,
would say that who is watching this video, don't make excuses that I don't have this, I don't have, you have everything.
yes.
Just start. You just need to start, you just need to initiate you.
Yes. So I have few questions. So can I ask you?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Thought on the importance of digital literacy and online communication skills. Now,
Okay, literacy means having the skill to use digital device,
yes, yes,
like that we have smartphones at this time
yes, yes,
and internet, but most. of people, they don't know how to
How
use
to
it in a
use.
proper way.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I think using technology, how to use app, website in a right way, because
Yes, yes.
there's so many people, they are using digital thing for in
Another
a, I
use
think in
also.
a wrong way.
Probably, yeah.
They are, yeah, they are
Misuse.
spreading fake
Yes.
news. Yeah, they are using misuse, and they are spreading the fake news. They are creating some sort of, um, information which is not true and which
Yes.
is completely false and which is completely wrong. So I think we should know how to use it in a right way.
Yes.
Who make
Makes you
me
laugh the most.
who makes me laugh? Okay, so well, who makes me laugh whenever I am with my niece.
Okay.
She's always makes me laugh, and she said something, not in a proper voice, like he's like he, because he doesn't know how to say proper sentence. And whenever she said something that was in broken, that was in
Okay.
broken language, so
Yeah.
that time I really laughed. Sometimes I really, I really laugh a lot, and sometimes I couldn't stop my laughing for at least 5 minutes. So I would say she makes me laugh whenever she is with me.
Yes, yes. I also with my daughter, yeah. Same experience.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how old is he?
How old? She's a 6 year old.
Okay. Yeah. And
Yeah.
my 4-year old. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
No, I think I am not
Ask.
prepared. I didn't have any question because I was just, I saw your message. Because what is happening these days, I'm really super busy, with
Okay.
household chores and everything. So that's why I sometimes I feel like that I don't have time to even write some question to
Okay.
ask. So that time, now I just come with my laptop and I didn't have any book and any other things. I'm just having conversation in flow. I was not prepared.
Okay. Don't worry.
Yeah,
Okay. So
yeah.
we wrap up the session. Yeah.
Yeah, we can wrap up because I think we already have faced lots of trouble.
Yes. Thank you so much. Give me your precious time, and yeah, I'm always grateful for that. Yeah. I
So
enjoy a
thank
lot.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also enjoyed it. And then we will make a proper conversation with you, and I really enjoy. And I am really looking forward to have conversation with you again. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
and I'll drop message. I think very soon whenever I have time.
Okay. Okay. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.
Okay. Bye bye.